How does the email marketing work? Hi, Massimo here, and today I want to tell you how the email marketing works and why it works. Okay? Uh, as you saw, as you knew from my previous videos, uh, I was already concerned and had to do with follow-up, because as Grant Cardone says, all the money is in the list. It means that when you gather your contacts, that email list is your treasure, okay? There is nothing more important and precious, not the ring, okay, but your emailing list, because once you get the emails, the email address of the people who is interested in what you have to offer, that kind of traffic is no more some kind of reliable traffic, but is some traffic that you own, because you have a direct communication line with those people. So I remember that I was always having problems in following up people when I was doing all my jobs, like when I was doing network marketing and with the supplement company, and also with the even previous one. If you watched my videos, I worked for two network marketing companies. I'm still using supplements of the second network marketing company I worked for, and now I'm also doing an extra business with an Italian network marketing company, which is not available on outside Italy. Okay, about power and gas, but this is not what I want to speak about. The point that I'm speaking about, the reason why I am speaking about those previous experiences and my and is why these experiences, like also my main job before the lockdown for the caused from the coronavirus, it was my main job earlier as cameraman. I had always also the same problem. Okay, nothing to do with affiliate marketing, nothing to do with network marketing, but video maker and production manager and so on job, which needed anyway to follow up my customers and to follow up my potential customers, and it took really a lot of time. So why all this effort? And by the way, this was until I discovered these softwares called autoresponders, which allow you to create an email marketing campaign and then to do it automatically. So this made it easy for me to follow up my customers, my potential customers, and so on. But why all this effort? Well, you have to understand that people, whatever you sell, even the most incredible cool thing you sell, and this you can see happening about your ideas, they don't cost nothing, but people is not always sold on them. Okay, whatever then you are selling, ideas, products, services, whatever, people won't buy it the first time that you propose it to them. A little percentage will, 1-2%, the rest of 98% of people will not accept it. And this is so true that you will find yourself, even when you speak with someone trying to solve them on your personal ideas and convincements, you will see that you will find yourself speaking more than once, the second, the third, the first, fifth time, because they are not yet sold on your idea. Same is for your products or services. Okay? So you need to follow up, because when you follow up the people, you build a relationship. And what are the key points of building a relationship? There are 3 key points, and they are: people must know you, and only when they know you through the communication they can start liking you, and only when they like you, then through the communication, they will start trusting you. And only when they trust you, then they will buy something for you. An idea, a service, or a product, okay? There is a little bit of wind, but never mind. It doesn't matter. So, what are these three factors? Knowledge, like, and trust. So, can you tell me, if no one knows you, who is going to buy something for you? Nothing. No one is going to. Nothing is going to happen. No one is going to buy anything for you, right? Great. But when people knows you, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter because it doesn't mean that they are going to buy something from you. Did you ever try to? I don't know. In a party, you know a girl, and you just tell her, "Okay, do you want to date with me? Do you want to go outside and take for a dinner in a restaurant?" You just knew her, and you are already just trying to sell your idea to her. You are trying to sell her your idea. How many times did it work? I know the answer is 0. Maybe one time. It never worked with me like this. Okay. So now that the girl knows you, okay, maybe she doesn't like you, okay, and you have to do what? To speak with her, to meet her again, meet her where she is. For example, she goes on. Maybe she's she likes baseball, or football, or soccer, or maybe she likes going to the gym. Well, or in a certain bar or pub. Well, you have to go where she is. You have to go where she is. She is not coming to you. Okay, and you go there and you meet her. Oh, hi, how are you doing? So on, and you just speak with her. And you know what? She knows you a little bit more. And what is going to happen is that maybe now she likes you a little bit more. And then the next time, you will find her on the gym. Maybe you subscribe to the gym because you are really you like her that much, and you go and start training on the same gym in the same times where she trained, maybe in the same fitness course, you know. Oh, you're here, yeah, I saw, I saw there is this cool course, this cool gym and so on, and I decided to get fit more than I was before and so on. Oh yeah, great. And she now appreciates you a little bit more. Why? Because you are doing something in common with her. Okay, we are speaking. You are communicating with her on the same reality, something in common, right? And now she likes you a little bit more. Also because now she can imagine that if you train, you will be fitter and more handsome. Why not? And and what did you do? You communicated with her. We communicated with her on the pub, in the bar, in the gym. You just did a follow-up. And if you do this quite long and so on, and you know how to do this without making her feeling wrong for something or feeling bad, but making so that she feels always good with you, she will then at one certain point like you. Okay? And now that she likes you, you can ask her, would you come to eat something at a restaurant with me? Well, okay. Maybe I could, but I have to do this and this other and so on. The point is that she likes you, but she doesn't trust you. Not yet, not that much, to go with you for and eat something to the restaurant. Maybe it depends from girl to girl, from boy to boy, man to man, woman to woman. It depends. The amount of communication or follow-up needed is different from person to person, okay? But it could be that she likes you, and then when you ask her that, she liked you so much that because now she was waiting for this, and she trusts you. She trusts about the fact that she likes you, and if you asked her that to go and eat something outside on a restaurant, then she now trusts, knows that you like her, and now she trusts on the process and she comes with you. Maybe she doesn't trust you, and you need to speak more with her, go more where she is, speak and communicate more with her, do more follow-up, okay? And then at the end, there will be a certain point when she trusts you. Maybe you help her with something that she doesn't know how to do, you show more interest in what she's doing, and so on. You bring her something, something that she wanted, a present that she wanted, something that time that you went outside, that you were on the gym, she saw that pair of gloves, training gloves that she wanted. Oh, they would be really cool, and you bought her those gloves and gave them to her as present. And now this was further follow-up through communication, and now she trusts you. And when you will ask her, would you come with me to the restaurant this evening, she can tell you, okay, or not today, this evening, but tomorrow, because this evening I'm already busy. And then you will go together eating at the restaurant, and then more follow-up, more communication, and the rest will be history. And hopefully she or he will be the right one, okay? Otherwise you will have to start it again with someone other. But basically this is what happened. Before you met her, she didn't know about you. You didn't know about her. Then you liked her, but she didn't know about you. But you wanted to go to the restaurant with her, okay? But she didn't know you. So you presented yourself, okay, now she know you. But then you have to communicate, because you brought her to know you. Now with further communication, follow-up, you brought her to like you. And then with further communication, follow-up, you brought her to trust you. And then she said, yes, we can go to the restaurant. The same is in the business. It is the same. Persons are different, and they need a little bit of follow-up, some more follow-up, some months or even some years of follow-up. But at the end, if you carry on with the follow-up, you will increase the knowledge, the know, like and trust factors, to the point that then the person will convert from leads to customer and buy what you have to offer. Okay? Products, services, or ideas. Do you want to come outside to the restaurant with me? Okay. Thank you very much for your time. I really appreciated it. Today I think I was shorter, and I hope you liked this more than maybe the the subject itself. No, just joking. So thank you for your time. You can learn more about this follow-up and knowledge, trust, and know, like and trust factors, and how to do it, and how to do it with a lot of people, with the right people, okay? So that when you get the interested people in front of you for services, you can, if they don't buy in the first time, you can then do the right follow-up. But in order to do this in the right way, you have to know how to write sales copies, so that your customers will convert, your leads will convert into customers. And sales copies means text which sells, able to convert a lead into a customer, buying customer. And you will do this, you will learn this really well and really cool once that you join the One Funnel Away challenge. So I urge you to join the One Funnel Challenge so that you will have more prospects, more leads to your offer or your business. You will build your own funnel, your own sales funnel, automatic, which means your own automatic selling, online automatic selling system. Okay, at the end of the challenge, you will have it ready for your offer. And if you don't have an offer of yours, you can get a ClickFunnels offers anyway, or third-party offers, okay, and use them for your funnel and start earning when you finish to build your funnel. Okay, so in order to join the challenge, I urge you to click on the link in the comments below, okay, or whatever it is in the description, or whatever you are watching this video. Thank you very much. We will see each other in the next video, and click on the link and check it out. Start it today. Ciao ciao.